Hey there, and welcome to the Mental Blueprint. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of mindfulness and meditation. So, what is mindfulness, you might ask? Well, simply put, mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the current moment. It's about paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations without judgment or distraction. Think of it as a mental workout for your brain. Meditation, on the other hand, is a specific technique used to cultivate mindfulness. It involves sitting quietly, focusing your attention on your breath, and observing your thoughts and emotions as they come and go. Now, before you say, "I can't sit still for 5 minutes, let alone meditate," hear us out. Meditation is not about clearing your mind or achieving some mystical state of enlightenment. It's simply about training your brain to be more focused and present, which can have a range of benefits for mental and physical health. For starters, studies have shown that regular mindfulness and meditation practice can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, as well as improve sleep quality and boost immune function. Plus, it's completely free, requires no special equipment, and can be done anywhere, anytime. To get started with mindfulness and meditation, find a quiet, comfortable place to sit, set a timer for a few minutes, and focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nose or mouth, and when your mind inevitably wanders, simply notice the thought and gently guide your attention back to your breath. That's it. With regular practice, you'll begin to notice a greater sense of calm, clarity, and well-being in your everyday life. So, give it a try and let us know how it goes. Remember, mindfulness and meditation are simple practices that can have profound effects on our mental and physical health. Thanks for tuning in to the Mental Blueprint, and we'll see you next time.